What is going on, guys? Welcome back. We are out here. Sun's actually going down. I had work all day. Just get back, sit down, eat, and all of a sudden it is getting dark, and I remember that this headlight bulb is having issues. If you guys know HID problems, we got HID problems. So it'll turn on and work for a little bit, and then it'll start to flicker and go out. So we got replacements quite a long time ago, honestly. It was like one of the first things that I bought for the car. So we've got new HIDs. I would like to get both of them put in, but it is getting dark out. I don't know how long it's going to take. We're going to pop this headlight out first, the one that's actually failing, replace the bulb, see how quick it goes, and if there's time, we'll go ahead and do this one. Alright, so basically all you have to do is take off the cover for the radiator support, and then there is a T30 Torx right here. There is one right there, and then there is one down there. You can kind of see it right next to the plug, like way down there. Loosen all of those. So we're definitely coming out. I think set the camera down and see if I can do it. 2 hands. Yeah, easy. So we will twist this. Yeah, okay, there's the bulb right there. Pull the plug down. Yeah, okay, so that just comes right off, and then we twist it counterclockwise, and then yeah, sick. It has like this white, let's see if you guys can see that. So it's like real white inside, then it's like a little bit burned down at the bottom, so something ain't right. So if you guys know me, you know I love putting Amazon parts on my Euro car. Oh. I went ahead and splurged and bought these Mars Auto HID. I think they're like 6,000K or maybe 5,500K, something a little bit more blue. I want that blue look to match the LED strips in the headlight. Mine were like a little bit yellow, so I want to just match that with the headlight bulb as well. Looks a little bit better in my opinion. We bought some Amazon special replacement. I think they're the igniters. I can't remember what the frick it was called. This was like way back months ago. The igniter did come with bulbs, so this is the new bulb that came with the igniter. We are not going to be using this bulb, but just to inspect and compare it to what we just pulled out. I'm not going to touch the bulb, but as you can see, there is no white in that center bubble there. There is no white there, and then it is not burned on the bottom there. So the bulb was definitely bad that came out of the car, and the car actually did have a warning light on the dash, kind of like what it does with the like a door being open or hood being open or whatever. It'll kind of highlight it in red, and it was doing that with the car. So definitely good that we are replacing this. Now let's go ahead and open these guys and see what they look like. Oh, dude, I've been waiting. I don't care about the bulbs. I got some freaking child size. Oh no, they stretch. Oh, dude, check me out, baby. All right, back to seriousness. Okay, so there we go. These ones actually look clearer than those ones. I think we're chilling. Yeah, so these ones are the 6,000K. So it's gonna be a little bit more blue. In my opinion, I like the look, so we're just gonna run with it like that. And it came with these nice gloves, so we don't ruin the bulb. If we happen to touch it, we're just not going to touch it at all. So let's go ahead and install these into the headlight housing. So just like it came out, when you're putting it back in, put it in at that 15-degree angle, it'll fall all the way in, and then you can twist it and it'll tighten back up. Plug in your cable, and then you can get the back of the housing and snug it up just like that. Ruin your pretty white Mickey gloves. Dang it, I'm kind of hurt about that. I shouldn't have done that. Dang it. So I think since this bulb was showing signs of it being bad itself, I'm not going to mess with the igniter on the headlight today. It was just a bulb malfunction on the car. We got this headlight put back in, all connected up, tightened down. Basically, this bolt in the center of the screen, that bolt in the center of the screen, that bolt down at the bottom with the rust in it, center of the screen, way down low. And then there is one tucked right back there, center of the screen. You can kind of see it. There's that bolt. It was actually loose in my case just now. So I only loosened the other three and the headlight came out. I did tighten it back down. And technically you do not have to remove this bolt, the one in the back, or this one if you just loosen it. And then this one does have to come all the way out. These ones, the headlight can just slide out of. So I went ahead and did exactly that. So we loosened this one, loosened that one on the bottom. There is supposed to be one back here, but it is non-existent on this car. And then we removed this one. So in theory, I should be able to just pull this headlight out. I should definitely unplug it first. There we go. Pops right out. So let's go ahead and change the bulb. Alright guys, so just like we did with the other bulb, we're going to twist this counterclockwise, pop that loose. There's the bulb right there. So the top side of the headlight is this side. I was just holding it like that. It was a little bit easier, but anyway, so we'll go ahead, pull the connector out, twist counterclockwise. It's only like 15 degrees or whatever that is, and then should be able to work it out. Just like that. Mickey's back, bitch. So what I did was flip the gloves over, so dirty side up. Freaking smart, bruh. So put it in at the angle like that. You can feel it drop down into its position. And then we are secure. Plug the cable back in. Slide it up. Boom. Easiest thing about an Audi right there. Thought I was gonna have to take the whole front end of the car off. Why couldn't they make the whole car like this? Alright guys, so both headlights are installed and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and do the first test. Always stressful when you put new headlight bulbs, especially with like HIDs. Those ones are just really stressful because there's always so many things that go wrong, especially with like retrofitted lights and stuff. These ones aren't retrofitted obviously, but still stressful with HIDs. So we'll go ahead and try it out. So fog lights, LED stripped. You guys can't really see it because the fog light's in your face, but we'll go ahead and try and turn the actual headlights on and see what they look like. These things are crazy bright compared to what was in the car. That is going to be a huge difference driving. And like I said, we go with like a cooler white, which these aren't really that blue, honestly. It's more like a neutral white. Wow, that is crazy how bright those are. So definitely worth getting. The reviews were actually really good online, so went with these ones. I'm sure OEMs are better, but these things look really good, and they're really, really bright and have a nice hard edge. So definitely like these, especially more than what was in the car. Those things were trash. I could hardly see, so I'm actually excited to drive this thing now.